Hi guys, today now let's just see how to start our Git. Firstly, we need to install our Git. As you can see, this is our website link. Here you can find Git link for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. And you can once you click the download setup, you'll find a file something like this in your downloads, and you need to run the setup. Don't change any default settings. You can just go through with it. And this is my file which I will be pushing into Git repo for the examples for today. Now let's just go through command prompt. So as you see there, git minus minus version, this is a command which will use to verify git whether it's installed or not. If you have installed successfully, you'll see such output. If not, you'll see nothing, so that you need to reinstall your git. So this is my folder, right, which I'll be pushing. We'll use command prompt from the folder itself. I'll just go through here. We'll just type cmd. You can see that the path is the same as my folder. This is the second command which will be running. Here you will be initializing the git username and git repo here. The username text should be replaced with the username. By default, you need to log into your git. If no account, you just create a new one. It doesn't take much time. It's easy to log in or creating a GitHub account. This is my home page. You can see here. You need to create a repository. Pause. You'll be having two ways to create repository. We'll be using this way. Here you'll select the create new repository, default types, and type some name which will match your project. So I'm giving it a name as project 1. As you can see, it's available, so I'll create my repository. Don't change any settings. This is how your repository homepage looks. Let's go back to command prompt. Here now you'll change your name to the username which my git repo has, GitHub account has. I'll find it in my profile, or even defaultly you can see there. So I'll just replace the text here. You can see that there's no error occurred. If any error occurs, it'll just show you the error there itself. You don't need to much worry about it. Next, you'll need to configure the email account, same as the just you need to change that your GitHub email to the email which you have added to your GitHub account. And no errors occur. We're good going. And then the command git init, so to initialize a GitHub repo. Then we'll git add. So okay, done. And next we'll go to the commit. Here the thing, initial commit is just a comment section comment. You can see we have 9 files that I need to push into my git. This is just to make sure of everything. Please make sure you don't push any .env files. And we are using the main branch to make the changes in the main account itself. And this origin git remote add origin is the command where you will be using your repo. That link should be replaced with your GitHub repo. We'll just see where to find it. See, this is our GitHub repo homepage. We have already seen this. Here itself, you can find the link for the GitHub repo. You'll just copy it. And in the same command, we'll replace the link. And yeah, we're good going. No errors have been occurred till far. So this is the final command we'll be running. Git push command is the final one. You can see we have successfully pushed everything. To verify them, we'll go back to Git repo page. Just refresh here. This is how you'll find all the files here. That's it, guys. That's it.